Hello and welcome to this NanoCAD tutorial. We're going to be using NanoCAD 5, which is the free version. And the first thing we'll do is look at the user interface. So in the menus here we have at the top Tools, so go to Tools, Customize Interface. This is where we can select the toolbars that show. This is pretty standard sort of stuff for Windows programs, but what I want to look at here is along the top we've got an Options tab. Under Options down the bottom here there is a slider which allows us to control the size of the icons on the screen. So as you move this, the icons in NanoCAD change. If you've got poor eyesight, you can make them extra big. I like to set it on normal. That looks about right. You can also change your visual style here. I've got Smart 3 selected, but you could choose any one of these if you like a different colour scheme. Alright, so we'll close that and now look at the rest of the menus etc. that we've got here on screen. Up the top we've got our usual Word menus. This is where all of the tools and features of the program are found. You'll be familiar with the type of things under File, New Document, Save, all those kind of things. In the picture menus, the same kind of tools as the Word menus. Toolbars that you can pick up and float around, put back as you need to. And we'll get into more of those later on. The next thing you'll see here is the big black part of the screen, and that's where we're going to be doing our drawing, and this black bit is called the model space. So down here in the left bottom you'll see there's some tabs: model, layout, layout 2, different paper sizes along there. I've got them set with the ISO standard paper sizes, but you can change those to American paper or whatever you need. But we're going to be doing our drawing in what's called the model space, and with all CAD programs this is a infinite black universe, so you can go out forever in any direction. Primarily we use 2D in NanoCAD. It's got some 3D capability, but it's a little bit limited. So we're primarily going to be doing 2D type drawings in here. We'll do them in the model space, and then when you go to print them you can put them onto a layout screen like this. It allows you to expand your drawing and get it to fit nicely on the paper. Right, what else do we need to look at? The last thing probably is down the bottom left is the command window, and this allows us to put in commands from the keyboard, which are often the same as what you find on the menus or the picture icons, but it's useful to have keyboard stuff for speed, and once you get used to them you can enter lengths and dimensions and all sorts of things in that window, so it'll be quite important as we go forward to keep an eye on that one. Alright, I think that's enough for this video. In the next one we'll look at starting to do some drawing.